Hi YouTube, Dre here. I've been wanting to make a video about this Cadillac to say people talk about the North Star as being a piece of crap. It's no good. You know, they always something wrong with them. And I think the problem with the North Star is not so much that it's a piece of crap. I think it's just the fact that people who own Cadillacs are broke and they can't afford to get it fixed the way it needs to be fixed. And this is the reason they have problems with their North Star. Because think about it. I thought I had a blown head gasket when, according to Napa, I only needed a water pump, according to them. But either way, the car does not run hot anymore. Now what I plan to do today is replace this reservoir. It's not leaking, but you can hear steam coming out of it, and you can't really see the coolant because it's so dirty anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a new one on it. That's what I'm gonna do today. And when I'm done doing that, I'm going to remove this transmission line and go replace the O-ring, because I think the O-ring is bad, because I don't know if you can see it, but there's a puddle of transmission fluid right there. So apparently it's leaking. And it's leaking down to there too. So I'm gonna replace the O-ring in that, and hopefully that'll take care of the leak. Hopefully. I may not do that today because it's kind of tight, and I ain't got that much time anyway. I just wanted to do something to this car. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is remove this 10mm bolt. Got another 10mm bolt right here, or if you're facing the front of the car, you don't see it right there. And it wasn't even tight. Alright, next we need to pick it up. Oh yeah, we got another one right here. Got another one right there. Well, it wasn't tight either. Yeah, I ought to show you guys how I put it. Alright, know how limp it is, right? So I just put it like that and bought it on. I'll take this finger and hopefully it don't drop. Y'all see that? Now we should be able to pull it off. I guess I might want to get the new one ready, because antifreeze is going to come out. Alright, here's the new one. And it pretty much looks like the old one, except hopefully we can see in the bottom of this one. And it even comes with the sensor. Alright, it's got one of those self-tightening clamps, so I'm gonna have to get that off some kind of way, and it looks like it might be broke. But alright, we can try these. And I can't hold this camera. got it on. Should have put it the other way though. Oh shit. Damn it. I forgot to put the pan up under the car. This plug need a screwdriver to unclip it. Alright, we got it off. Alright, so we're gonna plug up the new one. Don't seem like it wouldn't plug up. I hope it's the same. Of course, the wire has to be too damn short. I pushed it in before it would go. I gotta get this hose to slide back on. Yeah, I gotta get the clamp to